What's up, everybody? This is Demo Realist. And then the light comes on. The stars are bright out tonight. Um, that's going in the other. That's going in the other. That's going in the other one. This is getting fitted to the radiator. This and that's going in the other one. These are two that's going to go on. Hitomi, probably her fronts. This and that's going to get mounted as soon as I find or buy the hardware. This, that is going to go into the, and that is all going to, don't forget about this. That's got to go on first because if that's on top, you won't be able to get into there. But yeah, all that's going to go on. That'll go on when that goes on, and that is on. And that will be on first before that goes on. So coolant will be gotten. Sway bars will go on. I've already done the end links, so gotta go get some tools. So I'm able to tighten stuff, even unless I borrow from my brother-in-law, and I don't like to borrow people's tools. But if I have to, return everything. Hopefully nothing lost. If something's lost, I'm gonna have to replace it. You don't want to have to go and do that. So end links are done. At least they're put on the sway bars. And once I get ready to install them, I can check everything, make sure they're on the right way, and tighten everything down. Go by torque specs and read instructions. This is going to go on. Keep watching out for that one right there. I broke one of those, two of those, and I had to order 3 of them just to have a spare one. No, I ordered 4 of them, so I could have 2 spares. Because I kept 2 of them broke. One broke on Victoria, and one broke on Roxy. And I had already used Roxy's NA one, so the NA engine left without one on it. Oh well. It was guy basically took the damn thing for free because it was stuck in the back of Victoria and I couldn't get it out. So he came up on an RX-8 block that was seized. He came up on my NA block, and the guy that was picking up the stuff, he was talking about, I asked him if he wanted the welder, and I was going to charge it this much for it, and he drove off with the motherfuckers like, So he tried to hit me up one day talking about Merry Christmas or something, and some bitch was flirting with my moms and shit like, dude, for real? And he was talking about aliens and stuff, so she's uncomfortable. She's always on some shit. But it was like, yeah, we know. We used to live out in California. Marchfield, there's a whole bunch of weird shit that goes on in the Inland Empire, especially in the area around Temecula, Moreno Valley, Elsinore, close to San Diego, and then sometimes out here in the upper deserts, there's a lot of weird stuff that goes on in the air. So, yeah, you're not really telling us anything that we don't really kind of halfway see out of movies. So, yeah, anyhow. I'll put you guys in there because I don't know where I did with the other ones. So, yeah, none of my tools are here. And if I had my tools, I've been partially done. Still would need silicone, but I've got a whole bunch of silicone at home in Florida. I'm going to drink a water. That one's going to go in the fridge. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to see what's to eat. Tired. My body's been hurting, pinching and cramping. So, lighter, meds, fingers been. Oh. Oh, that's my wrist. Okay. Anyhow, we are basically done. So you all have a good night. I'm going to finish this stuff sometime during this week, hopefully. I need to get silicones for the oil metering pump. So it's getting cold. I'm not trying to see my breath. My knuckles hurt. My hands hurt. My tummy is closed. I'm going to shut this down and I'm going to go to bed. So after I take my shower and eat. So almost deja vu. Jeez. And look right there. And there's the RX-7. So you all have a very good night. This is what I just love about being out here. The mountains up there. Come outside and look at the stars. I ain't got to go nowhere. I don't have to go up in the mountains and drive over yonder just to look out if I don't want to. I can come out here, sit in the car, and look up. But first I got to put seats in it. So, with that being said, I'm going to wish you all a good night. So, drink you some water, brush your teeth. Yes, bork. Do you? At least one good gesture. Be nice to at least one person. Be one random act of kindness a week. Never quit reaching. So, with that being said, you all have a good night. Drink you some water. Peace.